A lot of people ask me what they should do if they've been pulled over by the police if they've been drinking. Well, there's some simple do's and don'ts in that situation. First, do stay calm. If you act nervous, if you display some sort of fidgety behavior, the police officer is going to interpret that as some sort of sign of intoxication. Second, stay focused. Stay focused on what you're doing, whether the police officer asks you to roll down your window, get your license, get your proof of insurance. All of these items are going to be judged by him or her as potentially a sign of intoxication if you're fumbling around or you're slurring your words. And finally, the most important thing is don't admit drinking alcohol. You don't want to lie and say you haven't if indeed you have been, because you're exposing yourself to a potential criminal charge of obstructing an officer. However, if you do admit drinking alcohol, you're handing them a very powerful tool to prosecute you for OWI. So the way to avoid admitting it and still not lying is to ask the officer, specifically using a legal term, what's your reasonable suspicion for pulling me over? And engage in that conversation as opposed to whether you've been drinking or where you were drinking or how much you were drinking or who you were drinking with. Instead of having that conversation, you want to shift the focus to what the officer was doing. Follow these simple rules and you will make your defense of an OWI case in court much better.